kayong lahat? Sino magsasabing 50 na to? Diba? Halika dito, halika tayo sa unahan. And of course, sabay-sabay natin palakpakan. Paz and Jerome! Alright, taas mo tayo. Alright, syempre, dahil birthday nila, kakantahan natin sila ng birthday song. Sabay-sabay natin kantahan ang ating celebrants. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Masyadong maramdamin, yung mas masaya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love the energy. Palakpakan naman natin sabay-sabay. Happy birthday, Paz and Jerome. Palakpakan natin ang mag-ina. Pwede na po kayong happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time, yung mas malakas. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, sabay-sabay. Happy birthday, Paz and Jerome. Go! Happy birthday, Paz and Jerome. You may now blow your candles. Take a wish muna. Alright, palakpakan naman natin. And of course, dahil may candle blow. Last and definitely not the least, Tatay Kapitan Emiliano B. Padre.
Back when I was a child, before I knew all this, my father would lift me high.
Okay, thank you so much to our 5K.